Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display SKU on the additional information for single and variable product in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code we are going to display SKU on additional information section for single and variable product, and then you see label SKU for single product or simple product, and then you see SKU text for variable product. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to simple product. Now refresh the page. Go to variable product. Refresh the page. So this is our simple product. Now you see SKU. Scroll down. You see additional information. Then you see SKU in additional information section. Now you see, go to variable product. Now you see choose an option. Now select, and then you see additional information. Now select, and then you see SKU. Now select another. Again you see another SKU. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.